Welcome friends, you are watching Linux for You YouTube channel. My name is Sushil Sharma and today topic is how to create the LVM volume, extend and resize them, how to create physical volume, logical volume, volume group. So that is the hands-on lab practice. So let's go to the Red Hat virtual machine and already I have added the 4 GB hard disk and restarted the virtual machine. So you will see here already I have 4 GB of hard disk that you can see here, right? So that is the 4 GB hard disk. So upon that we are going to create the physical volume first, right? So how you can create sudo pv create dev sda, right? How you can verify sudo pvs. So here you can see the 4 GB physical volume is created. Now we are going to create the volume group. So sudo vg create, I am taking the name here vg data, right? So and now specify your physical volume. So this way the logical volume logical group is created. So how you can verify sudo vgs. So here you can see the vg data 4 GB volume group is created. Now next is creating the logical volume. Sudo lv create and what size I'm giving here 2G, capital G, and specifying the name LV data, right? And volume group is VG data. So this way the yes, the logical volume is created. So how you can verify sudo LVS, right? So here you can see the LV data logical volume is created 2G. Now we will format that volume, right? So the command is sudo mkfs dot xfs slash dev vg data lv data. So this way we are formatting this, and after that we are going to mount this logical volume. So first I am creating a directory sudo mkdir data. So directory created. After that we have to mount it. So how you can mount? Sudo mount. Sudo mount and your device name is dev vg data and then lv data and your mount point is slash data. So manually I have mounted that. If you want to verify you can run the command sudo df-h. So here you can see my logical volume is mounted to slash data directory, right? Suppose we have to mount it persistently, like permanently. If you are restarting the machine, then this mount will goes off. So how you can persistent mount that? So before persistent mount, you have to see the ID block ID of your LV data, right? So how you can see that? BLK ID sudo blk id, and your logical volume is dev vg data / lv data. Just you should give the space blk sudo blk id space here. You can see the lv data blk id. Here you can see the uuid. So here you have to copy this value uuid, right? So I'm copying this universal id of logical volume data. So after that you have to edit the fs tab, right? So fs tab file you have to edit. So how you can edit the fs tab? Let's see. So sudo vim /etc/fs tab. So you have to add a entry here, and how you can edit here? Let's see. Here you, in the last line, you have to add a specific line to permanent mount the volume, right? So here we go. In the last line, carefully you have to add that line, right? So here you specify the uuid. So first going to the last line and enter the line uuid is equal to, and whatever you copied from there you have to paste here. So this is the uuid, and after that where you have to mount /data, right? And your file system is xfs, right? And then defaults 0 space 0. So this line you have to add for permanent mount, right? And after that you have to save that file :wq. And if you want to test your configuration, then run the command sudo umount data. So I'm unmounting the data directory and mounting again sudo mount -a, right? After that you can see ls blk. So here you can see that vg data lv data is mounted again to the data directory. So it means our permanent mount is working well, right? After that I am extending the logical volume, right? So I'm increasing the size of logical volume by 1 GB more. So the command is first see the logical volume size again, sudo lvs. So before extending the logical volume, I am showing you that your LV data size is 2 GB, right? So So I'm extending it by 1 GB more. So sudo lv extend, right? And then your length plus 1 GB, right? So 1 capital G, and your volume name is /dev vg data slash lv data, right? So by extending that 1 GB, now you can see the logical volume successfully resized, right? After that you have to grow the XFL file system. So how you can grow? Sudo xfs underscore grow fs, right? And your mount point is data. So this way the access file system is growing, changing the size, and you can verify. How you can verify? Sudo lvs. Here you can see the your logical volume is extended by the 1 GB more. Now its size is 3 GB, right? So this way you have extended the logical one. So this was the lab based on the LVM. If you are liking this channel, please like and subscribe the channel, and if you want all of the command I should mail you in the text, so please subscribe and like the channel, and leave your email ID in the comment box. Thank you very much.